Flower number 7 is a combination of strips to create this flower up here. And this is a 4.5-inch strip, then a 2-inch strip, 1 3/4, 1 3/4, and they're all 8.5 inches long. You'll sew those together and you'll press them in the same direction. The next step you'll do with the stitch and flip method, you'll take your square and you will press corner to corner, creating this diagonal line. Or with a pencil, you can draw from one corner to the other on the wrong side. And you'll take that and you'll place it in opposite corners. You'll sew corner to corner, corner to corner, then you'll trim, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and you'll press to the outside. So that when you are ready to do the other sides, so you've got these ones that you just trimmed right here, then you're going to put on the opposite corners right here, and you'll sew corner to corner and corner to corner, same thing, trim 1/4 inch, press to the outside on both of these so that you end up with the top part of your flower. Now you'll notice that this one right here is part of your stem, so you want this to be the same color as your stem. So once we have that, we're ready to do our leaf sections. We're going again to do the stitch and flip method. We'll place our squares in the opposite corners and we'll sew corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner, and corner to corner. Trim those, leaving a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press to the outside, and then you will have a left leaf section and a right leaf section. And you'll take your left and sew to a piece up here and a piece at the bottom. So this becomes your left leaf section and this becomes your right leaf section. Then you'll take your stem and with right sides together, you will sew 1/4 inch seam and press towards the stem. And then again on this side, 1/4 inch seam and press towards the stem. Then you'll take your leaf section and your flower section and you'll sew those together to create and finish flower number 7. Now your homework this week is to make 3 flower number 7s.